Hi students, today we are discussing MBOT2 Ranger Robotics Line Follower Scratch Program steps for MBOT2 Level 1. Line Follower Scratch Program. And step 1, select the MBlock software in computer. And select Add options for select CyberPi and MBOT2 in display screen. Select Add options and select OK. MBOT2 in display screen. Step 3. Connect MBOT2 to computer with a USB cable. Select Step 4. Select Connect options for connecting software and hardware in computer. Confirm connected options display in the screen. Connected. Now live. Step number 6. Select even options in the software. Select even options. We can select when button A pressed. Step number 7. Select display options in the software and select line follower. We have to type line follower to move a new line. Step number 7. Select display options in the software and select. Step number 8. Select audio options in the software and select high until done. Step number 9. Select LED options in the software and select display. Step number 10. Select control options in the software and select stop other scripts in sprite. Step number 10 like that. Step number 11. Select variable options in the software, make a variable and you have new variables and base underscores powers for all speeds. Select OK and KB for all. You have to create a new one. And step number 12. Select variable options in the software and make a variable. Step number 12. Select variable options in the software. Select base power and you have to type 20. And change KP, you have to type 0.5 value. Step number 13. Go to control and firmware options and select set options in variable and left power is 0 and you have to go the operators, select minus and multiples, the two mode, and here the base power in variables, select first base underscore power and KP and you have to make like that base power minus KP multiple. And you have to select in quad RGB sensors options in the softwares and select quad RGB sensor 1 and deviations -100-100. You have to go and multiples duplicate options and select. First select here and make a duplicate and the right power. Change right underscore powers in variables and select -1 you have to type. And base power plus KP multiples, here quad RGB sensors wants deviations -100 -100 and select MBOT2 in step number 8 MBOT2 chassis and select the options. Here's encoder motors EM1 and rotate at 0. Here you can put in variable options left underscore power and here you have to initiate the right underscore power. The final methods encoders rotates at left power percentage power encoder motor EM2 rotates at right powers percentage powers. This is the final method for line follower scratch program. And go to select upload and upload code for uploading program in MBOT2 and now program is uploading in progress and disconnect and select A buttons in MBOT2 and select uploaded program status and thanking you. Now we have to develop scratch program, line follower scratch programs. Now we have to go again in the software. Here is the mbot2. You can go in computers, you have to select mbot2 software, you have to open like that. Yes, now first options we connect. Here connect the software, connected, and now we are go to event. Now we have to select that when button A pressed, that is the first step. Again you have to go display, again here we have to type line follower. Line follower scratch programs we have to type. And step number 3, go to audio, you have to select. And step number 4, LED and display. And step number 5, here event, you have to go next to control, you have to go the last options in stop. Here you have to select that other scripts in sprite. Next you have to select in variable options. Here we have to create in new variables. We have to create with name base underscore power 1 and kp. And next you have to create with kp. And select OK for developing variables in the options. Next you have to select a new set, and you have to base power make it 20 numbers. And next you have to again go to variables and select change. Here you have to type kp, select kp, and what is the power 0.5. And next you have to go control and forever. And next you have to go set, you have to select the left power, you have to select first. You have to go variables and you make left underscore power and right underscore power, new variables names you have to create. Now here you have to select left underscore power, here 0. Let it be, we have to go that operators, you have to select the two options -1. Now we have to create. Next go to operator and multiple options. Now here you have to make variables in base power 1, and next that kp, select variable and select that kp. Next and go to here and add button. Here we have to go in device library and you can go mbot2, select, and you have to go that quad RGB sensors. You have to select quad RGB sensors, 1 deviations 100 to this. Select, you can go CyberPi and select quad RGB sensors, 1 deviations hundreds. Now this is the options. Now we have to fill up here these options to here. Now step number this set. The first step has completed, and kp base underscore power minus kp into quad RGB sensors ones and deviations -100 -100. Next you have to create as a duplicate, make here. You have to change here, go to -1 -1 and create a base power this -1. Here first multiple options, multiple plus 1, and you have to create this, we have to eliminate first multiple options, and here we have to create that negative mode of operators. We have to go that negative minus of minus options, and we have to select that multiple options first, and next you can go again operator and make creative of positive. Select that positive, and again you have to make multiples. First multiple, next positive, and again you have to go multiple options here. Now first we have to type -1, next base power you have to fill up and you have to add like that. Next KP you have to add here and make overlap of this. And next quad deviations, quad RGB sensors, so once deviations -100 to +100s you have to create like that. Now you have to change write power and -1 base underscore power plus KB multiple quad RGB sensors once, and the deviations here. And the final steps to go to that M-board chassis, and we have to create the encoders motors EM1 and rotates at percentage. You have to create here and make here changes as 0. And next you have to go to that variables, and left power you have to overlap, and again go to variables, and right powers you have to overlap. Now that the entire line follower scratch program has completed successfully, we have to check it and upload this program in M-board 2. Now we have to go upload and upload code of this. Now uploaded progress has 100% successfully completed. The code has been updated. Now we have to check it. Now that M-board 2 already connected here, that with the USB cable, and that the line follower scratch program is uploaded. Now we have to check it that uploaded program's status. And this is the final program for line follower scratch program for M-board 2. And we have to disconnect with USB cable in M-board 2 and check it that line follower scratch program status. Now disconnected. We have to check it that line follower chart here mention. We have to select that method in button A. We have to press. The line follower scratch programs for M-board 2 has successfully completed, and the method has uploaded successfully. The program has initiated. And thank you for watching this video. This is the final method for line follower scratch program for M bar 2. And thank you for watching this video.